So today we are installing the new HP T3600 machine. We are beginning the unloading process. This is the area, it's in the city. Look at the beautiful scenery of Singapore. That's the National Library over there. And we're getting ready to remove the machine from the truck. So we've got a very interesting truck today. It's a cold freezer truck to keep our machine nice and cold. These are the paper rolls and those are the HP ink cartridges. Alright, there it is. There it is, the very famous HP 3600. This machine is installed in a ton of places. It is a compact multi-function machine. 3 A1s per minute, prints in color and black and white at the same price. Excellent for the office, really quiet and supremely built. So this is what we'll be installing today.